Dukers D55F 40.7 cubic foot two-door commercial freezer. Dukers manufactures the D55F commercial freezer with solid stainless steel construction inside and out for durability and dependability. The easy-to-read LED digital thermometer display uses pinpoint temperature technology to within 1 degree. 8 poly-coated adjustable shelves let you decide how to configure and reconfigure your frozen inventory, and 4 5-inch locking casters keep the D55F firmly in place. Beautiful interior lighting design illuminates the contents of the freezer when the doors are open. The Dukers D55F weighs 465 pounds and measures 55 1/8 by 32 5/8 by 80 3/8 inches, and has a 40.74 cubic foot capacity and holds perfect temperatures between -8 to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The D55F uses 115 volts, 14 amps, and 1,250 watts of power and comes standard with a lengthy 9-foot cord and a NEMA 5-22P plug. A powerful 1 1/3 horsepower compressor is bottom-mounted to the freezer's cabinet. The D55F uses environmentally friendly R290 refrigerant, and you can count on Dukers commercial freezer products to comply with all UL and NSF standard inspection and safety requirements. Expect the fantastic 2-year warranty on parts and labor and a 5-year warranty on the compressor. Now for the pros. Great warranty. Solid stainless steel construction inside and out. A powerful, hard-working compressor, and uses environmentally friendly R290 refrigerant. Now for a few cons. The manufacturer does not offer install and removal of old commercial freezers, and it has a manual defrost.